Okay, today I'm going to talk about objective number 1, how to define, form, and apply dominant and subdominant chords. So what's a subdominant chord? Well, let's start with what's a dominant chord. So the dominant, as we know, is the 5th tone of the scale, and the 5 resolves to the 1. So I'm playing the skeleton voicing, 3 and 7 on the 5, and then the B voicing, 7 and 3. So that's a diatonic, and in the whole set of chords there's only one diatonic chord. However, the diatonic is like the main dish, and so you can have many small side dishes. So there are many variations of the subdominant chord inside one set of chords. And how does that happen? So there are basically many different 5/1s within a whole set of chords, and 5 resolves to the 1, and that gives you the subdominant. So subdominant is when 5 resolves to the 1, but the 1 is not the tonic. So we're used to the idea in the diatonic that the 1 goes to the 4, 3 goes to the 6, 2 goes to the 5. However, when we look at chromatic chords, and chromatic means colorful, so it adds color to the chords, we resolve these chords as 5 chords going to 1 chord. So when we go from the 1 chord to the 4 chord, it's actually, we're going to the 5 of the 4 to the 4. And then from the 3 to the 6, 3 is the 5 of the 6, and then it goes to the 6. And then for 2 to 5, 2 is the 5 of the 2, which goes to the 5. So basically we are going from unstable tones to stable tones that are resolved. And that's exactly what we're doing. So in the diatonic chords, we have the 3 and the 7. We come from the 7th chord, of course. So this is 3 and 7 for B flat. And when we are playing the chromatic chords, we are actually playing the flat 7 chords. So what we're doing is that we are lowering the 7th note. So when this plays out, we are either so the interval between the interval is not a, yes, that's right. Okay, so the interval is no longer a perfect 5th, but it becomes, the interval between the 3 and 7 is not a perfect 5th, but it becomes a diminished 5th. So how do we create the diminished 5th chords? So the diminished 5th chords can be made either by lowering the top note, or by raising the bottom note. So in this case, when I raise the bottom note, I'm getting the 7 and 3 for the 5. So there we go. We're sounding much more colorful already. And yep, that's all I'm going to say for now. See you later.